Okay, today, guys, we're going to solve equations and inequalities. So there's no modeling here. We're just going to solve. So we're going to write the equation from the model and then solve straight from the equation. Okay, and that's all we're going to do. Okay, so how to solve from an equation or inequality. Write your equation and inequality out. I'll show you how. Draw a line down from where the equal sign or inequality symbol is, and then move all of our constants, nothing that's with a variable, to the right side by performing the opposite operation. So if I'm adding, I need to subtract. And if I'm subtracting, I need to add. Divide by the number attached to the variable. And then remember, when you divide by a negative, the inequality symbol flips to the opposite sign. And your answer is going to be x equals whatever number, or the correct inequality symbol that's there. Okay, so we're going to do just two problems today. We're going to do one equation and one inequality. Okay, so number one, if it's green, that means it's positive. If it's red, that means it's negative. Okay, so we have the circles, remember, our x's, and the squares are our numbers. Okay, so we have two green circles, which means it's 2x. Okay, and these are negative, which means I'm subtracting however many I have there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2x minus 5 equals, those are red on the other side, so it's going to be negative, and let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 2x minus 5 equals negative 11. Okay, and to solve from here, let's draw our line down. Okay, we're going to add 5 on both sides, plus 5, plus 5. Okay, negative 5 and a positive 5 cancel each other out because they make 0. Negative 11 plus 5. Okay, so if I have a negative and a positive, I need to subtract these two numbers. So 11 minus 5. Sorry, that is 6. Okay, and whatever number is the bigger number, that's what symbol it gets. So it's going to be negative 6. Okay, and then my 2x gets brought back down. So then I'm left with 2x equals negative 6. Okay, and then on this side, so now that's 2 times x. Anytime they're attached like that, that means they're multiplying. So the opposite of multiplication is division. So we're going to divide on both sides. Okay, 2 divided by 2 is 1, so that cancels it out, and we get x. And then negative 6 divided by 2. If I just do 6 divided by 2, that's 3, right? And then there's one negative and one positive, which means it's negative. So my answer is x equals negative 3. Okay. Look at my steps. So we wrote the equation, right? Equation. Let me write out our steps here. Write the equation. Okay. And then we're going to add 5 on both sides. Okay. Bring down the 2. 2x and subtract 11 and 5. Okay, and then we divide by 2. And then we get our answer. Okay. Sorry. So then number 2, our inequality. Okay. So look over here, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 x's, but they're red, which means it's negative 5x. Okay, and these squares are red, which means we're subtracting 2. Okay, greater than, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13, and they're green, so it's positive. Okay, so we're going to draw our line. First thing I have to do, add 2 on both sides. Okay, add 2. Write the equation. Add 2 on both sides. Okay, these cancel each other out, and 13 plus 2 gives me 15. So I'm left with negative 5x equals 15. Okay, add 13 and 2, bring down negative 5x. Okay, and then last thing to do is get rid of that negative 5. So we're going to divide by negative 5. Divide by negative 5. Okay, negative 5 divided by negative 5 is a positive. So I'm left with x. 15 divided by negative 5 is negative 3. So that's the answer. And then we flip inequality symbol because it was negative, right? We divided by a negative, so we have to flip the inequality symbol. So instead of greater than, it's going to be less than. Okay. And there we go. And that's how you do it, guys. If you have any questions, please let me know. I'm always glad to help. Until then, have a great day.